Right, my name's Rooke, right, and I'm a professional park rider. As you can see, this is my local park. The swings over there, fucking
Can't see fuck all.
roundabout thing there, the jungle thing there. Show 'em a slide. Slide's pretty beast, that is. Right, start off with the bike, right. I got a black frame with a white sticker, sub rosa, right. I got a tweet sticker there, and a couple monster ones right there.
Monster one, what?
I got a metal chain. It's purple, right.
Metal? Fucking metal.
Some see-through brake pad.
Fucking
And a black one just to mix it up, so I'm not racist.
fucking
I got a hub cleaner on the back from one of the girls' baubles I know. I got some purple pedals.
Spin it.
See that? I got the bearings in that.
Fuck yeah.
I got some black cranks. Got some bolts there that come with the bike. Pretty hard to get hold of. I'm running a rubber tyre on the front and also on the back.
Both rubber, right?
got some black forks. Come with the bike. Got a purple tyre. Not purple tyre, purple rim. I got some manky black spokes and nipples with a tattooed hub. She's got like a tattoo on the hub, like.
Yes, tattoo, but.
I got a peg which is made of metal. It's not like when you put it on the line to hang your clothes up. Got a couple bearings inside there, so they're called integrated bearings, right? Can't see it, and another sticker.
It's a sticker. Okay.
I got a spray painted whatever it's called, can't remember. Spacer. To my name, man, right? I got a stem with a tattoo on it again.
Tattoo?
Yeah.
Tattoo, yeah.
Fucking tattoo. I got some chrome bars.
Mirror in it? Fucking mirror.
Fucking mirror. I got a salt lever. It's not the Salt Plus, it's just the salt. I previously bent it earlier. I got some keyboarding grips. I think I got them from TK Maxx, or the range. I got a seat. It's made cotton seat, like. I got an inner tube from Wilco's under there and in the front. That's my bike check. And cheers, Lou. So.
Follow him on Twitter. Dave found the latest update on his bike and all that shit. So,
cheers.
It's you boys.
Thank you.
Nipples.